everybody. I have just finished off my bagel and I'm working on my coffees. We are getting into the end of January. There is a huge winter storm. It's a massive storm and there are so many places that are just buried under snow. Whether or not that's going to affect how fast the part gets here, because it's coming from the Midwest, I think. I don't know. But I'm just thankful that we're not buried in that. The winter here in Washington has been pretty mild so far. We've had no snow. It's currently 34, 35 degrees. And I'm pretty comfortable just in my little layers here. I do need to get some gloves though, because my hands are a little chilly. Yeah, so they did tell me that the part is supposed to be there at the beginning of this next week, and then they only expect that it will take an afternoon for them to do the work that I need them to do. I am bringing some things of my own to have them do, some roof boxes that I need mounted that I am not confident enough to mount myself, so they said that they would do that for me. I am a little bit nervous thinking about heading out in February. I'm keeping an eye on the weather because I really don't want to be dealing with a whole lot of snow. I don't have a proper heater, so that's one of the things on my list of things to do today. Of course, I have the vehicle heater. I do not have a diesel heater at this time, nor do I think I can schedule the installation of that and get that to, you know, all done on this next particular visit. Building out a rig is like a process. What I think I'm gonna do is run by Harbor Freight or Ace Hardware and grab a buddy heater. They are rated to be used indoors. I've seen a lot of people using them. I've read a lot about them, and they appear to be safe to use inside as long as you have proper ventilation. So what I'm looking for is just something to use on super, super cold nights to keep us warm without having to crank up the Jeep. Over the last several days, I have been recovering from an illness, and between me and Zola both being down for over a month, it's been hard, guys. It's been really depressing. Like, I went from hiking, you know, 5 miles a day, and Zola also 5 miles a day, and working out and being on the move, to being in bed and not being able to move, and Zola also being in a crate, not able to be on her foot because she had surgery to repair a cut to her foot. Mentally, it's been really hard for both of us. You know, you can't make them understand. So we are just now getting to the point where we can go on our walks. Yesterday we did 1.5 miles. Super excited. Today it's also supposed to be a really nice day, so I hope to get out today and do some more walking. I'm just really ready to get going. One of the things that I am going to prioritize in 2026 is protecting my peace a little bit more than I have in the past, and creating the life that I want for myself. What did you find? It's just kids.
The following day, we went down to the water and explored a bit. I needed some fresh air and to get away from the worry of what was going on with the Jeep, and Zola had a lot of sniffing to catch up on. It was a nice day and the weather was beautiful. The winter had been a lot warmer than expected here in the Pacific Northwest, and it was nice to get out and just enjoy the day. Just like that, a lot quicker than expected, we were back at the shop, admiring some pretty awesome rigs also getting outfitted for their own adventures. Then it was Beetle's turn.
Guys, it's happening. The Jeep is fixed. The Jeep is Jeeping. It's Jeeping. All ready to go. I can't wait. My baby. Yay!
With the repair work on the Jeep finally done, all that was left to do now was repack everything and hit the road.